English Level 2. Introduce myself. Tell about my trip experience in Bogota. The weather in Bogota. Recommendations if you go to Bogota. This is me. I am Francy Pacheco. I was born in Chimichagua, Cesar, and I live in Chimichagua. I am a student of system engineering. I live with my mom and my grandmother. I like to read. I like to work. I like to skate. Stage 1. Tell about my trip experience in Bogota. The last vacation I went to the city of Bogota. I stayed a week and I went with my mom, and I did not have to pay much because I visited my sister. I like it because it has many tourist sites such as Plaza Bolívar, Cerro Monserrate. Bogota is incredible. The most impressive place was the Botanical Garden through the pine forest. I returned on Sunday, January 6, because I started working on Monday of the following week. Stage 2. The weather in Bogota. The climate in Bogota is quick, unpredictable, and change in temperature may be regrettable. So the cool and the rain usually appear without warning. Recommendations. It is recommended to visit the historical center of the city. It is important that you wear clothing. It is necessary not to carry valuables at hand. It is a good idea to visit Zipaquirá Salt Cathedral. It is better not to take taxis in the street. It is important that you take pictures of everything. It is necessary to go to the street with umbrella. It is a good idea to go to the Montserrat. Stage 3. What you should do. If you plan to go to the city of Bogota, you should check and buy the tickets before traveling. It is better that you go at night to the Botanical Garden. It is very beautiful. What you should do. You must not go to the city of Bogota and not go to the planetarium. You had better not go alone, always with more people.